Hello guys, welcome back again. Now we are going to talk about how can a virtual data assist energy compliance and margin composition. A virtual data room can provide significant assistance to energy companies during mergers and acquisition, M&A by streaming the due diligence process and facilitating secure document sharing and collaboration. Here, how a VDR can especially benefit energy companies in M&A activities, secure document storage and sharing. Energy companies typically deal with a large volume of sensitive and confidential documents during M&A. VDR offer a secure and centralized platform to store and share these documents with potential buyer or investor. The VDR robust security measures such as data encryption and their user authentication help protect the confidentiality of critical information. Effect, efficient due diligence is a crucial aspect of M&A activities, allowing companies to assess the financial, legal, operational, and internal aspect of the company target. Collaboration and communication. M&A transaction involve multiple parties, including legal term, facility advice, and executive version of control and document management. A ABT allows energy companies to maintain a version, a control document throughout the M&A process. Regulatory components. Energy companies are subject to numerous regulatory requirements, including environment relations, licensing, data room analytics. Submetier offers analytic coverage the ensure the best opportunities. People can leverage this analytic to track document view, downloads, and user interaction. This information can be valuable in assessing buyer interest, identifying key area of focus during negotiation, and making informed decision based on their user behavior. Data security control. Energy companies deal with highly sensitive information, including intellectual property. Overall, a VDR especially enhance the efficiency, the security, and collaboration aspect of M&A activities of energy companies by leaving the compatibility of VDR energy. Thank you so much for watching.